Hi, it's great to be here live at DCPA 25 in National Harbor, Maryland. I'm here with Brad Wildstein. Brad is with Vertex. Brad and I have worked together for quite a long time. We've had CPA.com's had a long-standing relationship with Vertex. And Brad, that relationship has really centered around delivering sophisticated tax solutions to firms, particularly firms who had fairly complex sales and use tax practices. More recently, we've just announced an expansion of our partnership that kind of coincides nicely with an investment Vertex just made in Kintsugi. Kintsugi is an AI native AI tax solution platform. And I think we're both pretty excited about kind of what this means to our relationship, but maybe talk a little bit about that.
Sure, and Michael, great to be here. An exciting announcement that we were able to make, expanding our partnership to include Vertex, CPA.com, and bringing Kintsugi in the fold, as you mentioned a minute ago, that we made an investment in last year that really helps us to bring forward AI-driven sales tax solutions. So if you think about when we first imagined this relationship, we brought forward the ability to serve SALT practices inside of firms with solutions that could help them to build out and automate their practices for filing and remitting of sales tax solutions. The one area that we really to date have not been able to solve for is for cash practices, for firms that don't have that native sales tax practice or that sales tax knowledge of how are they able to serve their customers and how are they able to serve their clients. And the beauty is with the Kintsugi relationship, we have the ability for those firms to have their clients connect their data to Kintsugi with no obligation. Kintsugi will then provide back to those firms data analytics and reports to help them to understand where their clients have issues, where their clients are currently filing and remitting today, and then be able to help serve those clients with a whole host of advisory practice and services that they really have not been able to in the past. So it's an exciting time to reimagine right now, and really the opportunity for us to be able to serve every firm, regardless if they have a SALT practice, if they're newer to the business, your largest and your smallest, scaling across all of our solutions now.
Yeah, we too are very excited by this, Brad. As you know, we've developed quite a number of relationships with firms and helping them to build out those cash practices. And so to be able to bring that group under the umbrella and help them deliver value is really what we were most interested in creating here with Vertex and Kintsugi. So maybe, talk a little bit about how we roll this out, how firms get started.
Sure, great question. So any firms that are listening to this or are seeing and have interest, go directly to the CPA.com website. You'll see a link on that site that will enable you to click directly to set up an appointment to learn more about the Kintsugi, Vertex, and CPA.com partnership, and to be able to learn more about how you can build a practice around sales and use tax and how you can start serving your customers and your clients in a whole new way.
Sounds great, Brad. Look forward to get started.